Welcome to this video on retractable roofs for restaurants. Are you a restaurant owner looking to create an unforgettable dining experience for your customers? Are you looking for a way to extend your seating area to the outdoors while still being able to protect your customers from the elements? Then a retractable roof may be just what you need. Retractable roofs provide the perfect solution for restaurants looking to offer a versatile, all-weather outdoor dining experience. With a retractable roof, you can create an open-air atmosphere when the weather is nice, and close it up when the weather turns bad. Retractable roofs are easy to operate, with motorized or manual options available. They can be customized to fit the unique needs of your restaurant, and are available in a variety of materials and colors to match your branding. By investing in a retractable roof, you're not only providing your customers with a more comfortable dining experience, but you're also increasing your revenue potential by creating an additional seating area that can be used year-round. Thank you for watching this video on retractable roofs for restaurants. If you're interested in learning more about how a retractable roof can benefit your restaurant, please contact us today.